No way we're getting out alive. So me and my friends, we're gonna fly, have fun until we can die. Now I'm just breaking my knee crying. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Addicted to Life, One Love. I'm Kyle Femister. This is Jordan. And right here, this right now, is my channel.
I'm rolling up these ribbons.
You handle those poles pretty well.
Appreciate it.
You've done it once or twice?
I got practice.
Hoping you and your family a wonderful, happy holidays. Coming at you from China Peak, Addicted to Life, One Love. Just remember to help someone smile today, all right? Peace.